How soon will it take for you to get your first closing in real estate? That all depends on how much work you put in. I get this question asked all the time by new agents that join my team or ones that I'm interviewing to join my team. They always ask me, how soon will I get my first paycheck? Or how soon will I get my first closing? Or how soon will I get my first listing appointment? What most people don't ask is, what type of work do I have to put in on a daily basis to get my first closing, or get my first listing, or get my first paycheck? Instead, they focus on that money up front, and then they don't focus on what the activities required for them to have in order for them to get that first closing. You have to make sure that you have daily prospecting or daily money-making activities in your schedule every single day that is not negotiable, that you have to do no matter what. You wake up every single day, just like you're working 9 to 5. If you were working 9 to 5, you have to report to work at a specific time, and then the employer is expecting you to be at that job location from a certain time till a certain time. But what most agents do is that they wake up whenever they want, they don't have a schedule, and then they are not consistent with putting in the activities required for them to get that closing. And always ask, hey, how come I'm not getting any closings on the table? How come I don't have that many showings? How come I'm not getting that many appointments or closings? And it just all goes back to their activities that they're putting in. What are the money-making activities that you're doing every single day? If you have any more questions about this, feel free to reach out to me.